Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to make a blue passion fruit margarita. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to need is 2 limes. Or basically 2 shots of lime juice. You can use the one in the bottle I have on the right. But freshly squeezed lime juice is always the best route to go. Get every last drop. Next we're going to need 2 passion fruits. Get out the seeds included, put everything inside. It's going to give it a great flavor and some color. 2 shots of your favorite tequila. Add a half a shot of Cointreau, blue Cointreau syrup. Any syrup will work. And we're going to do 1 shot of triple sec. Add some ice. Now shake it up. Blend those ingredients together nice and thoroughly. Looking good. Now add some ice to your margarita glass, halfway, and some tonic halfway. Next we're going to pour the mix, the cocktail margarita mix, into, you kind of got to shake it really good because there's seeds in it to get every last drop out. But there's one more thing you don't want to forget, everyone. Pour those passion fruit seeds in, and it's going to make it look very beautiful, I guess, you know what I mean? And what's a margarita without a lime? For nice decoration. Put that lime on the side, just like that. And there you go, everyone. Blue passion fruit margarita. Now I'm going to enjoy this drink, and you have a great night, everyone. Goodbye.